Take a look at this shit. I hope I get good ones this time. You can probably hear the rain coming down. It's a little dark to be able to see it. Maybe if I point up at the light, you'll be able to see it coming down. Anyways, it's pouring right now. I want to get some good lightning shots so everybody can see. There's a good one. Hurrah! Sure there'd be a couple more to follow with a couple loud bangs. Yeah, the blasts have been coming fast and furious. By the way, if you get a chance, go out and see the Fast and the Furious. There it is. Do you see that one? That was awesome. Possum. There's nothing better than the sound of lightning, or the crack of lightning and the sound of thunder. I should be laying my head down right now trying to fall asleep during it, but I'm kind of an entertainer. Let's look up at the rain again. It's coming pouring down like crazy. So I'm gonna give this sucker about 30 more seconds. Hopefully get a couple more blasts of lightning and we'll call it a night. Stay tuned Thursday night and Friday night for the next big storm. Oh, there it is. Let's hear the bang. Oh man! Hurrah! Ooh-ah! Well, I'm gonna turn this sucker off now, or probably won't upload to Facebook. Anyway, good night, good morning, and good afternoon.